by taking the exam online. First of all, your only option is to take the exam online. So as it is an online exam, your result will be given to you within few minutes of you completing the exam. This will be in the form of an email sent to you from the APM group, which is the administrator of the practitioner and the foundation exam. So you will receive the results within few minutes in the email that you gave while registering for the exam, and that link will also give you a shortcode to go to your candidate profile, where you could also be able to download your certificate, and if possible you can also get feedback on your actual score on different competency areas. So your result will be within minutes, and it will be emailed to you by APM group.